Hello and welcome back to my channel, Your Tech Doc. The Apple Wonderlust event was nothing short of electrifying, and it delivered on the high expectations. It is the annual September event by the company, which generally introduces the new generation of iPhones, as well as other Apple products to the consumers. So let's dive into the highlights of this unforgettable evening. As expected, this annual September event unveiled the highly anticipated iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus, alongside other exciting products. But before diving into the iPhones, Apple wowed the audience with the Apple Watch Series 9. The highlight here is the brand new Apple S9 sept, the most powerful watch chip Apple has ever produced. This chipset not only doubles the processing speed for machine learning tasks but also enhances overall efficiency and battery life. The real game changer is the double tap gesture control, allowing users to perform common actions with a simple tap of their index finger and thumb. Starting at $399, it's a steal for Apple Watch enthusiasts. For those who loved the Apple Watch Ultra, the Ultra 2 is here to delight. Powered by the same S9 chipset, it inherits the double tap feature and boasts an astonishing 3000 nits peak brightness, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Say hello to the on-device Siri and the new modular Ultra watch face. The Ultra 2 starts at $799 for the GPS Plus cellular variant. Both Ultra models offer battery life, with the Ultra 2 taking the lead at up to 72 hours in low-power mode. The added double-tap gesture feature is a fantastic touch, enabling hands-free control. Moving on to the iPhones, the standard iPhone 15 models get a taste of Dynamic Island, a feature previously reserved for the Pro models. With a 48 megapixels camera and rounded edges, these phones are stepping up their game. The A16 Bionic chipset boosts performance and efficiency. And there's a welcome addition of USB-C ports for universal charging and data transfer. Starting at $799 for the iPhone 15 and $899 for the iPhone 15 Plus, these models are ready to impress. For the pros, Apple presents the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, featuring the groundbreaking A17 Pro chipset, a 3nm powerhouse. This chip is a performance beast, rivaling even some PCs. It turbocharges neural and machine learning capabilities while offering immersive gaming experiences. The iPhone 15 Pro Max stands out with its 120mm lens, offering 5x optical zoom and 10x macro photography. The ultra-wide lens also receives notable improvements. Don't forget the all-new action button in the Pro series, replacing the mute switch. This programmable button can perform a variety of functions and adds convenience to your daily tasks. Starting at $999, the iPhone 15 Pro is a true flagship. Lastly, Apple's generosity extends to last year's iPhone 14 lineup. With a price cut, the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus now offer an improved A15 Bionic chipset, better cameras, and enhanced battery life. While they lack Dynamic Island, they retain the classic iPhone notch. Prices start at $699 for the base iPhone 14 and $799 for the iPhone 14 Plus. In a nutshell, Apple's Wonderlust event was a showcase of innovation, from the Apple Watch Series 9's double tap to the power-packed iPhones and the industry's first 3nm A17 Pro chipset. Apple continues to set the standard for excellence and user-friendly innovation in the tech world. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more informative videos like this.